How to draw Anya from spyx family in 2024. Watch me reveal the secret tips to draw Anya like a pro in 2024. Watch me reveal the secret tips to draw Anya like a pro in 2024. Start by sharing how popular Anya has become as a character and how many fans are eager to draw her in 2024. Introduce the character Anya and explain the excitement around drawing her from scratch in 2024. Show different reference images of Anya to help viewers understand her look and style. Discuss the importance of proportions and facial features. Show different reference images of Anya to help viewers understand her look and style. Discuss the importance of proportions and facial features. Reveal your step-by-step process of drawing Anya, including tips on how to achieve the right expression and details. Summarize the key techniques used in drawing Anya from scratch, and emphasize the satisfaction of capturing her essence. Encourage viewers to share their own Anya drawings in the comments, and suggest other character drawing tutorials they might enjoy.